Welcome to the grand finale of WitBlox Young Inventor Techfest 2021 organized by IIT Bombay. Let's check out the journey of Shivam Damani from Ghaziabad.
Greetings everyone. I'm Shivam Damani from Ghaziabad and I study in 8th standard of Silverline Prestige School. I love to keep myself updated about the latest technical wonders going around in the world, and I'm fond of reading fictional books. My hobbies are creating mobile apps and learning new things in the field of computer. It is said that we overlook the things that are most important in our life. We are 70% water, yet keeping ourselves hydrated often slips our mind, and I am no exception to this. My mother is always after my life as I do not drink enough water, and this gave me the spark to address the common problem that most of us suffer from in the race of life. Aqualarm is not just a machine, it is like that caring member of our family who ensures that we do not compromise on our health by not drinking water regularly. After all, health is wealth. Just like that, it never forgets to remind me. Hello everyone, I'm Shivam Damani, Inventor, and this is my Aqualarm machine. So many times you have faced the problem when you forget drinking water. But now, this machine won't let you forget it. Or you can even calculate how much time has passed since you last took a sip of water. So, this is Aqualarm and it runs on Arduino Uno. It has two modes, stopwatch mode and timer mode, which can be controlled with this switch over here. So this is the stopwatch mode. So now whenever you put a glass of water on its top, it has got an ultrasonic distance sensor on it. So whenever you put the glass of water on it, the timer will start, as you can see, and once you take it off, it will pause. It will restart. So now whenever you put the glass of water in it, it will start and you can calculate how much time it has been passed since you last took a sip of water. So this is stopwatch mode, and now let's come to the timer mode. So let's switch the mode from here. As you can see, now it's on the timer mode. So with this potentiometer, I can change the time. As you can see, by turning it in clockwise direction, the time will increase. The maximum time that you can set is of 1 hour, as you should drink water at least every 1 hour, at most every 1 hour. So if I run it in counterclockwise, the time will decrease. So I will set a timer for 5 minutes. And I will put the glass on it, and after 5 minutes it will buzz off. So as you can see, 1 minute has passed and it has started beeping. So if I pick up the glass, the beep will stop and the timer will reset. So after drinking, if you put the glass back on, the timer will start again. And this indicator will indicate if the glass is over here. And also, it can run on different kinds of power. So as you can see over here, I can put the Arduino cable in it or a DC power supply. The batteries are also replaceable. Thank you and please like my project.